Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can cancel an order on Depop. So if you want to cancel an order on Depop, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now then, to begin with, first thing first, go ahead and tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side corner. And once you do that, you'll have to go ahead and tap on the purchase tab, and then it's going to take you to the history where you've actually purchased an item. So all you have to do is just go ahead and click on the purchase status in progress. So under it, you need to select the item that you wish to cancel. Just go ahead and tap on the product, and on the next page you'll be able to find an option as cancel order located at the lower right. In my case, I've not placed an order, so the interface is completely blank, so I'm just unable to show you the procedure, but I'll instruct you how you can do it. So as I was talking about, tap on the cancel button located in the lower right hand side corner of your screen, and you have to give a reason for canceling the product, and by default the return amount will be refunded. So in this way you can cancel an order on Depop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.